Understanding how spaces and buildings are used is a key challenge for decision makers in facilities management. But understanding occupancy by physical counting is too labor-intensive, and installing hardware sensors would be too expensive. Previous attempts to visualize indoor occupancy were limited in space and time. We engaged with many stakeholders to design, implement, and deploy Ocupado, a set of visual decision support tools that use Wi-Fi occupancy data. Our collaborator, Sensible Building Science, gathers Wi-Fi device data as a proxy for estimating human occupancy. We save these location-based counts every 5 minutes and generate a time series for each zone. We did this for hundreds of zones across dozens of buildings. We started our design process with a sandbox for idea generation and prototyping. After getting a better understanding of stakeholder needs, we created the Campus Explorer, a feature-rich system that is connected to a live data stream, followed by 3 applications targeted to specific data granularities in both space and time. The Campus Explorer has 3 main components: the control panel, the region selector showing data stripes, and the region subset view now showing spark lines. Users can choose between multiple visualizations depending on the intended task, and select independent or absolute Y-scales. We can click on a region to open the detail view as an overlay. A key component is the binned time series chart. Activity presets are shortcuts for complex interactions. For example, to show the regions with the highest device counts in the spatial heat map. We can filter regions by building, switch to different views like superimposed line charts, or use temporal filtering. We select the weekend days as discrete time sessions and inspect Saturday, June 9. In the Building Long-Term interface, on the left, we can select multiple zones across different floors. We can switch between spark lines and average day profiles and click on a zone to open its detail view. If we select a whole floor, all of its zones are sized to fit on screen. The Building Recent interface focuses on short-term data with glyphs size-coded by live device counts in each zone. On the left, we see per-floor counts from the last half-day plus a future prediction, or we can switch to see the average activity for a typical day. We can also switch the glyphs from live data to the maximum over the past half-day, or, for example, to today's average count between 7 and 11 a.m. The Region Compare interface lets us choose one specific region in a building, and then select a time, like June to August, and see its time series. We pick September to December for our second query and see both results superimposed for direct comparison across all the charts.